Hi, in this video, I'll show you how you can request a hybrid course that you can use in your own classroom with your students. First thing you're going to need to do is, if you are a GSCS employee, you can get to our Cyber School website by just clicking this button right here. If you are not a GSCS employee, you can go to www.gscs.ca/CYB for cyber, and it takes you to the same spot. So here is where you would start your registration process. Once you have your course, you can log in using this button. If you want to look at all the courses we have available, there's this button, but if we just want to register, this is where a student would go if they would like to participate in a course, earn a credit. Teachers have four options. These two are for high school hybrid, so you could order a high school hybrid, a course, Accounting 10, or you would like a student to have an individual unit of study, so maybe they only need to complete one unit of your science course. That would be here. Elementary has the same two buttons. The elementary individual units of study, you have a student that only needs to do one of the math units in grade 6, or what we're going to do today is get the full subject. The user agreement is all of the legal stuff, so make sure that you are familiar before you click the agree button. And finally, on this page, here is the same link as the first button where it shows all the courses that you have access to. Or you just open up the registration itself. Now there are right here, browse courses. You are a GSCS teacher, so you get it free of charge. Other divisions can also request our hybrids, but we charge a fee for that. So your name, you would put my name and the email. There we go. You can select any course you'd like. Notice that they're all $0. Again, if you were from out of division, there would be a price attached. Let's say you want the Math 7 course. Moodle Elementary, you're getting an elementary course. And it doesn't let you choose if you're in division or out of division. And then you have to choose the school that you are with. If you want another course, you click this button and another one of these pops up. If you only want Math 7, you click the next button. There is the purchaser's name. It knows me since I've logged in through my GSCS portal, my email, a phone number. There we go. And it reminds you to read the user agreement again. If you're not familiar with it, here it is. I agree with the terms and conditions, and you submit your form. What that does is our registrars will create a copy for you. Now, this usually takes a day or two, depending on how many other copies are in line ahead of you. When the hybrid is created for you, you will get an email that shows you that your hybrid is ready. Then to find your hybrid again, you can either click back into the Cyber School button and the login button, and you log right into Moodle, and it takes you right to your courses. Okay, so here are all the courses I have access to. If the shortcut is, instead of going to the Cyber School button, is you just push the Moodle button on your portal, and it takes you automatically to that page. Well, that's it for this video. There's lots of other help videos down below, so if you're having any trouble at all, make sure you click on them.